What's up, guys? We are on the cruise ship Royal Caribbean Oasis of the Seas. We are on the 11th floor, and this is our balcony view that we have had all week.
No talk, just go. Black suits on the road, full speed overload. Cold eyes control mode. Go trim dark tone. King seat full throne. Every move my own. Build this stone by stone. Fast drive deep bait. Steel hard, no trace. Every deal pure grace. Win wars, no chase. Mafia style, no bluff. Diamond life, too tough. Fast lane, that's enough. Respect, no fluff. Mafia style, cold game, all in. No shame, no love. Just aim, power, my flame. Dark glass, no face. Sharp line, my space. Every plan I ace. Every loss erase. Deep grind all night. Money clean spotlight. Trap drum ignite. New hide in sight. Loyal ones we trust. No talk, just dust. Fast minded just. In cold we must. Mafia style, no bluff. Diamond life, too tough. Fast lane, that's enough. Respect, no fluff. Mafia style, cold game, all wins. No shame, no love. Just aim, power, my flame. Fast speed, I ride. No sleep, no lies. Sharp mind. Mafia life, my prize.
From your point of view and everything you're seeing, you probably still do not believe we are on a big ship because it looks like we are just in a massive hotel.
Look at that, guys.
Oh my gosh, what'd you just find? No, you did not. Are you serious?
Wow.
Oh my gosh.
Perfect
He
for
literally just found that while we are filming our closing scene.
This is not staged.
That's our second Jesus duck we have found on this boat. All right, buddy, close it out.
Make sure you guys like and subscribe and share. Hope you enjoyed this video.